The selected partners were best suited to participate in the project. One of the main rationales, the composition of consortium, was to have a large geographical outreach throughout the whole of Europe, as built environment practice and the required solutions differ to a large extent from country to country. While selecting partners, we were looking for their long-lasting experience in the sphere of energetically and ecologically sustainable, affordable, and healthily built environment, or willing to get acquaintance with it and to introduce it in their programs. Therefore, a mix of experienced and less experienced organizations in the above integrated approach are selected. A number of participants, P1, P3, and P4, have been working together in different EU and Asia projects since 1993. FARE AC project Achieving Quality Management in Construction, in which the first principles of an ECAHBE approach have been elaborated. EU universities P1, P3, and P4 have an extensive experience in the activities which is foreseen by the project and are named as the leaders of their countries in the line of the project. Research Institute for the Built and Human Environment P3 is the UK leading research institution in the built environment. It was the only such institution in UK to receive 6-star rating. The University of Bologna, P2, is the oldest continually operating university in the world. In 2010, QS World University Ranking ranked the University of Bologna in 176th in the world. P2, delivering Masters in City Management, has an extensive experience in energy saving, environment management, sustainable development, etc. All partners have worked together in different compositions in several EC projects and are well acquainted to another. Vilnius Gediminas Technical University, P1, is considered as coordinator because it is very well experienced and skilled in the field of EEESAHB. P1 had been involved in the Tempus project Energy Saving in Construction in 1993-1995. Currently, the EEESAHB is a subject of PhD dissertations, national and international projects, as well as developed intelligence systems in the P1. The partnership realizes the harmony of newer and older EU members, so the existence under and performance transfer is united with the long-term development. Project countries interest to develop multidisciplinary education, EEESAHB, and enhance their competitive capacity applying the mechanisms based on Bologna process, the European credit transfer and accumulation system, stronger linkage between education and labor market, etc., are named as a key ones for the successful project implementation. P5 main activities involved training specialist ecology, real estate, energy conservation and energy management, environmental protection, economics and engineering. Annually, the university organizes international conferences devoted to the engineering, real estate, economics, and technology of environmental protection. P7 is a Russian leader in construction education. PH is delivering BSc specialist and MSc and PhD programs in construction engineering and environment protection. P11 is a leading university in Ukraine in the energy saving, ecology, IT. P6, P9, P10 and P12 is aspiring to gain an international reputation. Their motivation and objectives can be achieved by the application of tempus means related to the improving the 3-cycle programs in the built environment. P6 has Faculty of Engineering and Construction and delivering education and research in the field of renewable energy, energy conservation and efficient use of energy, environmental management. P9 has a long-term experience in ecology and sustainable development, providing different disciplines in the built environment. P12 is a recognized leader in e-learning and has its own actively developing virtual educational environment. P12 is a founder and participant of 2 virtual universities and founder of Academy of Distance Education of UA. P10 has a long-term experience in the education of civil engineers. P1, P2, P3, P11 and P12 played extraordinary role in the development of virtual inter-university networked educational system, intelligent library, intelligent tutoring system, intelligent knowledge assessment system, access to the e-sources of the research and educational information in the universities of the participating countries, and etc. P1, P3, P5, P7 and P8 had a particular responsibility in the upgrading of BSc specialists, MSc, PhD and degree programs, monitoring, reporting and dissemination process. P2, P4, P6, P9 and P10 participated in the upgrading of BSc specialists, MSc, PhD degree programs, monitoring, reporting and dissemination process. At present, all project countries' universities are actively modernizing its academic models, in line with the principles of the Bologna process. All partners participated in the project sustainability process, especially P9. EU associations P13, P14 shared with the consortium labor markets practices and enhanced the interaction level. P13 represents the best Italian universities, and it is characterized by the dynamism of the network as a whole. Organizations from P14 are developing different elements of a smart built environment and various information, knowledge and intelligence systems for education and built environment. Besides, the partnership involved external experts in key actors outside consortium, internationally known specialists, managers and administrators with working experience in ministries of education, ministries of environmental and senior industrial partners and consultants.